In today's data-driven world, the ability to turn numbers into narratives is a powerful skill, and that's exactly what Tableau empowers you to do. Tableau is a leading data visualization platform designed to transform raw data into interactive dashboards and insightful visuals. Whether you are a business analyst or just starting your data journey, mastering Tableau opens the door to clearer communication and smarter decisions. This video introduces you to the basics of Tableau, from understanding the user-friendly interface to creating your very first dashboard. You'll explore how to connect to various data sources, drag and drop dimensions and measures, and use built-in tools like the Show Me panel to build charts like bar graphs, line plots, maps, scatter plots, and even pie charts. You'll also learn how to combine multiple visualizations into a single interactive dashboard, apply filters, and use design best practices for maximum clarity and impact. Finally, we'll show you how to publish your work and share it through Tableau Public or securely within your organization. So if you're ready to elevate your data storytelling skills, this video is the perfect place to start your Tableau journey. Let's dive into the world of powerful visual analytics.